Hello, and welcome to Project Malaproteus, a research study by the Mercyhurst College Institute for Intelligence Studies on the national security implications of virtual worlds. As we present our findings, we're going to take advantage of the fact that we are briefing in a virtual world, so you'll find that our findings are organized in a somewhat non-traditional fashion. We hope it will be more interactive and engaging than the sort of intelligence briefing that we're all used to. In this courtyard, you'll see that our findings are laid out in a style sort of like an expo. You're free to move about and access the findings at your leisure. Videos that cover the analysis are laid out in a color scheme. The blue findings are general discussions of virtual worlds and national security trends. The red findings outline threats posed by virtual worlds. The green findings, on the other hand, cover some interesting opportunities. Simply touch the LCD screen and a short presentation of the findings on that subject will start playing. When the video ends and starts over, simply click the screen again to turn it off and move on to the next station. If you've got any questions, please refer to the 4 project analysts by using the contact information located in the back of the courtyard. If you're here for the February 23, 2009 live brief, simply open up the chat function and type your question and we'll answer right away. Of course, you can also access these findings online by using the URL www.cirat.com/malaproteus/index.html. When you log on, you can choose to access the findings using either Flash or directly with HTML. Though both interfaces are pretty intuitive, once you enter, there are short descriptions of how to navigate further. Please feel free to direct anyone else you think may be interested to the site as well. The advent and surging popularity of virtual worlds raises a host of questions regarding national security. Not only has the utilization of virtual worlds continued to rise, but so has the scope of their use, as well as their potential for abuse. Virtual worlds are now poised to become much more than traditional massive multiplayer online games like World of Warcraft or EVE Online. Virtual environments are now broaching into broader possibilities for customization. Not only are companies and governments developing enterprise virtual worlds to suit their needs, but virtual worlds for personal use by single individuals also appear likely to catch on. Additionally, developers are also dabbling in mirror worlds, or worlds where the virtual environment mimics the real world, or at least some part of it. Though they certainly seem benign at first glance, in fact, these sorts of virtual worlds rather easily lend themselves to exploitation by non-state actors, criminals, and adversarial states. As the real world continues to trend towards convergence with multiple virtual worlds, the possibility for hostile groups appear likely broadened in the future. Despite these threats, virtual worlds also provide numerous opportunities for the U.S. to advance its national security interests. The goal of this analysis is to explore the emergence and evolution of virtual worlds to U.S. national security by addressing the following 3 questions. What are the likely national security threats and opportunities posed by virtual worlds? How are those threats and opportunities likely to develop over the next 10 years? And what is the significance of these threats and opportunities to the intelligence community?